Okay, today we are going to learn about Jenkins, how we set up Jenkins and EC2 instance. First, we create one EC2 instance. So I choose the Ubuntu. Currently I'm using the free tier AWS account. So I'm choose already I created the key pair and everything. So we need to choose creating the security key pair and used 25 GP. Uh, it's enough for to creating the check-in setup in EC2 instance. Just click the law EC2 branch application. So I think it's going to create now. Click this and go to connect. I think the state is running now, and we can go to connect and get that Ubuntu icon, copy and go to your local. You can store some data in your local machine, right? Which will helpful to create the EC2 instance. Already I put that. Just copy and replace it. Just copy. I don't think we can copy or not. Yeah, it's copy. Yeah, copy and open the terminal. Copy and paste, and just extends plus. Yeah, good to go. Yeah. Then once we configured the AWS EC2 instance, just we need to sudo apt update. Whenever we need to create EC2 instance, just first commands we need to use this one because we need to update all the sudo commands because we need to install a lot of commands in EC2 instance. So preferably to use this one sudo apt update commands. Then we need to check Java is installed in our EC2 instance. Java is not there. I prefer to go 17. You can prefer whatever you have and used 17. Yes. Then it's taking some time to create to Java to install in your EC2 instance. Okay, so it's taking time. Then meantime you can go to Jenkins Ubuntu. Just go to the Linux, go down. Yeah, this is the long-term support release. Just copy it and go to your. I think it's installed. Just copy and paste it. I think yes. Then yeah, it's taking some time. So please wait for a while. What happened? Yeah, yes, done. Now we need to take go to EC2 instance, go to instance, copy that the public URL and go to 8080. I hope that it should be coming here. Yeah, it's loading. Yes, it's coming here. You need to just copy the URL. Oh, sudo cat enter. Yeah, now I got that password. Just copy the password and go here and click continue. Never. Install suggest plugins. It takes some time to install all these buildings in your Jenkins pipeline. It's okay. It takes some time to create all the plugins in your laptops. Please wait while. Meantime, we need to log in. Okay, it will take some time to create it. Please wait while. Mm. I'll go to my GitHub. Go to my GitHub URL. Go to bouquet. Just still it's in progress. It's okay. Hmm. Because the initial this is a one-time process. It takes some time to create EC2 instance in your local machine. Yeah, it's taking some time. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, let's create the username and password. Whatever you want, you can create, but remember it. It will be a more important. You can provide any like an email which is not considered anything. Just click continue. Okay. Already I put this one, right? Making sure I click and finish it. Go to using Jenkins. Okay, now we are getting this one. We need to go to manage Jenkins, plugins, available plugins. Yeah, first install Docker. No, GitHub I think so. No, Java, no. I don't know. What should I install first? Docker, Docker pipeline. Okay, install. Go to manage Jenkins. Go to plugins. Available plugins. Okay. Java, right? Oh, I think I used some. Yeah, we need to certain plugins we need to install. Okay, available plugins. Why? It's not there with Java. It's not there. Oh, why? Okay, install. It takes some time to finish it. So I can go to available plugins again. Sonar Group Scanner. Yes, install. And Docker I think already installed. Go to pipeline, stage views, available plugins, pipeline stage view, install. Then go to generic webbook trigger. It's okay, I think install. Available plugins, search it. What happened? Yeah, install. Okay, now we whatever plugins we need, we install everything. Then go to tools. No, before that, yeah, go to tools, and I hope Maven 3 something. Maven, I think hope Maven, yeah, install, and you need to add dedicate. Uh, no, now this one used install from OPTM. Okay, What is it? Okay, so far is this enough? Apply and click save. Go to Jenkins and what is system? Hmm. Okay. I mean, okay. You can check this one later. Okay, then first we need to set up one important thing: credential. Global add credential. Still GitHub app. Uh, GitHub. You need to provide. No, you need to provide the username and password. Yes. Username and password. You need to give the username and password. Oh, okay. Let me just try. I will change it. Don't copy this one. Okay. GitHub create. Okay. Let's go to make new pipeline. Okay. Pipeline. Click OK. Okay. Before we need to use trigger. Oh, okay. I used to here. Sorry. Pipeline and Git need to provide the URL here and use the manual from server. Yeah. If it is getting any error, right? So first of all, we need to check whether the credential, if it is matched automatically, the error is going to remove from this screen. Suppose if the credential doesn't match, then you can see the error still in your screen. So double confirm whether your credential, everything is correct. I used master brand. Let me double confirm whether I'm doing correct or not. I will open my project first, book mail, and I will go here, Jenkins file. Okay, I think Maven Java 17. Okay, yes, this file is correct. But I don't think we used master branch or main branch. Yes, this one is a master branch. Anyway, let's try. Sorry, let's try whether it's working correct or not. Apply and save. Just we double confirm. We go to Jenkins tools. Because Java installation, right? Java installation. So we provide Java 17, not for JDK 17, and we provide Maven, not for Maven 3. You double confirm it before executing the script. That is Maven. Yeah, Maven. Yeah, correct. Maven. Okay, that's fine. Click apply and save. Go to manage Jenkins. Jenkins pipeline. Build now. Okay, let's see what happened. I don't think it will. We will facing some issues because I'm directly to executing my script. Build number. Okay, okay, main package. Deploy Nexus. I think this will going to fail because I didn't do any configuration for Nexus. And it's okay. At least if it is started, it's good. Yeah, it's connected. Then it's fine. Yeah, we successfully to connect GitHub to set up the pipeline. So that is a successful. So anyway, we can see in next videos in to connect to Nexus and everything. I hopefully this video might be helpful for you. Not, okay, thank you very much.